Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to teach you 15 English words that people are generally pronouncing incorrectly right now. So let's get started with the first word. This word looks like automobile, but let me tell you, this is not correct pronunciation. The correct pronunciation of this word is automobile. Be careful, there is no mobile in the word. It's mobile, automobile. Okay, move to the second word, and this is cucumber. It's not cucumber, it's cucumber. It is used in salad. When we are talking about salad, how can we forget this word? People generally mispronounce this word as lettuce. But let me tell you, the correct pronunciation of this word is lettuce. It is green leaves used as uncooked salad. Move to our next word, that is epitome. People generally say it as epitome, which is incorrect pronunciation. Epitome is the correct pronunciation. Epitome. Move to the next one. How do you say this word? As a kid in my earlier days, I used to say this word as buddy, and I was a little shocked when I came to know this at berry. The correct pronunciation is berry. It's not buddy, beauty, but berry. And the next word is mortgage. It's not mortgage, it's mortgage. 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 There are many English words with silent letters. This is because English language has very different spelling systems. And the next word is receipt. Letter P is silent in this word. And the correct pronunciation is receipt, not receipt. Move to the next one, that is plumber. It's not plumber, it's plumber, because B is silent in this word. Plumber. Move to the next one, that is calm. Calm. It's not calm, it's calm. Our next word is tomb. Many people say this word as tomb, which is totally incorrect pronunciation. The correct pronunciation of this word is tomb. The next one is subtle. Letter B is silent in this word. Subtle, not subtle, it's subtle. And the next word is climb. The B letter is silent in this word. And the correct pronunciation of this word is climb, not climb. Climb is the correct pronunciation. The next pronunciation is thumb. It's not thumb, it's thumb, like thumb. Okay? B is silent in the word. Our next word is salmon. The L letter is silent in this word. Salmon. Just like salmon, the next one is almond. It's not almond, it's almond, because L letter is also silent in this word. And the last letter is sweet. Many people say it as suit. No, it's not suit, it's sweet. Like the sweet we generally eat, sweet. It is a type of connected rooms, especially in hotel. So hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video to the needy one, and to get such useful videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.